Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on the Gofundme. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to write the name on the Google Chrome, and after that the website will be open. So now we have to open this link. And after opening the link, as you can see now the website is open. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this sign in option. So let's click on the sign in option. And after clicking on sign in option, as you can see, we have to provide the account details. So I'm going to click on the OK, don't have an account. So we have to click on the sign up. So let's click on the sign up. And after that, as you can see, now we have these different options. So we have to provide these names and password and everything here. And then we have to click on this, and now we have to choose the password. So I have choose the password, and now simply we have to click on the sign up. So let's click on the sign up. And after clicking on the sign up, as you can see, now we have to provide the name or we have to provide the number here. So I'm going to choose my number. So let's choose the number. And then we have to click on the send code, and you will get an OTP. You have to enter that OTP here. So as you can see, let's click on the send code again. So as you can see, now we have entered the number, and after entering the number, we have to click on the send code. And after clicking on the send code, you will get an OTP, and you have to enter that OTP here, and then your account will be created. So in this way, you can create your account on the GoFundMe. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.